Want to know how to log in to Lovable AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this screen right here. Now, once you are in this screen, you should be provided with various interfaces, and on the top right side, you should be seeing login that should be right beside get started. So just simply select login right here. And once that is done, you can just simply continue with Google, GitHub, or continue with email. So make sure you are signed up before doing it. We have also created a video on how to sign up, so make sure to watch it. So now once continue with Google comes up or anything that you chosen, just simply choose your account, type in your email and just log it in simply. And once that is done, you should be automatically logged in to Lovable AI, and you should be able to write prompts. And that's it. This is how you easily sign in to Lovable AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.